In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import issues into Jira to get started. The first thing you need to do is prepare your CSV file properly. Open a spreadsheet in Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. And make sure the very first row contains your headers. Each column header should match the kind of Jira field you want to import. One important detail here is that you must include a summary column because Jira requires that field for every issue. You can also add other useful columns like description, issue type, priority, assignee, and status. Depending on what information you want to bring in, taking a moment to organize this correctly at the beginning will make the import process much smoother. Once your spreadsheet is ready, save or export the file as a CSV UTF-8 file. This format is important because it helps Jira read your data correctly, especially if your content includes special characters. Next, open Jira and log in. After that, look to the left side and click on Filters. From the drop-down menu, choose View All Issues, or in some Jira versions, All Work Items. When that page opens, go to the top right corner, click the 3-dot More button and select the option to import work items or issues from CSV. Now upload the file you just saved as you do this. Make sure the file encoding is set to UTF-8 and confirm the delimiter. In most cases, that delimiter will be a comma. These settings help Jira separate and understand the contents of your CSV correctly. After the file is uploaded, select the Jira project where you want these issues to be created. Be careful here, because the issues will be imported directly into the project you choose. The next part is mapping fields. Jira will show your CSV column headers and ask you to match each one to the corresponding Jira field. For example, if your spreadsheet has a column called Assignee, map that to Jira's Assignee field. This step tells Jira where each piece of information belongs. Then move on to value validation. Here, you need to make sure the actual data in your CSV matches what Jira expects. For example, if your status column contains values like in progress or done, those names must exactly match the statuses available in your Jira workflow. If the values don't match, the import may fail or behave unexpectedly. Carefully review your mappings on the validation screen, and once everything looks correct, click Begin Import. When the import is finished, click Download Detailed Log. This is especially helpful because it saves the configuration, making future imports much faster if you use the same file structure again. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.